Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to customize banner in Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to Google and search for elf site, and just simply go to the first one, elfsite.com. And guys, make sure to create an account if you haven't. And now from here, just simply go to the widgets at the top, and just simply click on it. And now from here, down below, you should be able to see banner under the e-commerce section. So click on banner, and after that, create widget for free. And now from here, you should be able to edit your banner over here by just simply first selecting a template. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one and click on continue with this template. And after that, I should be able to change the text over here, as you can see. And pretty much you can change on how it will look. So this will be based on your preferences. And after that, once you have provided the necessary information based on your design, just simply click on add to website for free. And then now from here, guys, once you have done that, you can just simply go publish on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply select the free one. And now from here, you can just simply copy the code and just simply go to your Squarespace and just simply go to a page. And after that, of course, just simply go to the edit over here and just simply go where you are going to provide it. So I'm going to add a section over here, and I'm going to go for a blank section. And now I'm going to go for add block over here, and now go for the code. And after that, double click on this. And now from here, just simply paste the code over here. And after that, you should be able to add it into your site. And now, once you are done, you can just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.